Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of your Google Map application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to log out of your Google Map, firstly open your Google Map application. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings option displayed on the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Sign out of Google Maps. You will be logged out of your Google Map account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Google Map account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.